First one is called Susanna Perry's Tune, and the second one is Sam Shinnick's Tune. And I recorded these some years ago with a band, Kelly Russell and the Planks, back in 1995. We recorded these. And I'm going to send these out to Naomi and Tamsin, my daughters, who are young musicians themselves, who played on this stage on Sunday for Fresh Fiddles. Where are you, girls? Say hello.